Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean iodine stains using an easy method. First, gather your supplies, which typically include rubbing alcohol, dish soap, and warm water. Remember, the sooner you address an iodine stain, the easier it will be to remove. Always perform a patch test on a hidden spot of the fabric or surface before applying any cleaning solution to the main stain. This prevents potential discoloration or damage to your items. For fabric stains, rubbing alcohol is a highly effective solution. Simply pour a small amount of 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol onto a clean cloth or cotton ball. Gently blot the iodine stain, making sure not to rub, as this can spread the stain further. Continue blotting with fresh sections of the cloth until the stain is no longer visible. Afterward, rinse the fabric under cold running water to remove any alcohol residue. When dealing with iodine stains on hard surfaces like countertops or floors, a simple dish soap solution works wonders. Combine 1 teaspoon of mild liquid dish soap with 2 cups of warm water in a bowl. Dip a clean sponge or cloth into this mixture and gently scrub the stained area. The soap helps break down the iodine, making it easier to lift. Finish by wiping the surface with a clean, damp cloth and then drying it thoroughly. Sometimes, iodine stains can be quite stubborn, requiring a bit more effort. If the stain persists after the initial cleaning, don't hesitate to repeat the process. For extremely tough marks, a paste made from baking soda and a small amount of water can be applied, left for a few minutes, then gently scrubbed away. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. With a little patience, even the most challenging iodine stains can be effectively removed from your items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.